presentation ni Mr. Vong Navarro, Teddy, and Jugs. Alright? Hold on, 300,000 na lang ba ang pera binibigay? Ang baba naman. Yeah. Na paluha ako. But this is more of a personal note. Today is the 5th anniversary of my dad's death. Naging emotional ako in so many levels. Parang mas gusto to sa Popeyes.
Miss Chicha is waking up.
ABS-CBN somehow has maintained that stature.
Tinanong ko sa kanya, may multo ba rito?
Alright, okay mga kuya-kuy, this is Kuya Mike, ang kuya nyo sa Amerika, and manunood na tayo ng presentation ni Mr. Vong Navarro, Teddy, and Jugs. Alright, happening. Nanonood ako dyan. Ating Fold 4. Okay, nanonood tayo dyan para at least hindi tayo masita ni Mr. YouTube. Pagalitan tayo, paluin tayo ni Mr. YouTube. Actually, anong oras na ba rito? It's 1 o'clock in the morning, okay? Dahil may daylight saving time kanina, inurong ng 1 oras. So, hindi na tayo tugma or hindi na tugma ang mga oras natin. So, it used to be 12 hours in advance kayo dyan. Ngayon, lumalabas 13 hours in advance kayo. So, kasi ganun talaga. Towards, during the fall season, ang buong Amerika actually, nag-relate ng 1 hour compared to you guys. So, ngayon showtime online right now, pero I'm sure pwede nating ma-fast forward to. Ngayon, hati talaga, no? Marami pa rin na nagsasabi na gusto nila makita si Billy Crawford, if at all, again, kung makakasama siya sa any of the presentations for Magpasika 2023. Marami rin ang ayaw, pero I think 2/3 ang ayaw, 1/3 ay parang okay lang sa kanila. Me, obviously ayoko, andyan si Meme. Alright, so pinalitan na natin ng ganito. Wala pa. Team Vong and Jugs and Teddy. Hold on, 300,000 na lang ba ang pera binibigay? Ang baba naman. Parang it used to be 1 million or something like that. What? Mahina Okay. Olivia Lamasan, one of the judges. Alala ko lang yung pagpunta ko sa studio ng ABS-CBN. Kita ko siya. Actually, katabi ko si Olivia Lamasan. And I think she was director there. Tirso Cruz. Alright. Mamaya, pag-uusapan natin to. Iproproseso ko lang. Pero it was very good. Sentimental use of technology. In a way, nangilabot din ako, Alright, so katatapos lang natin mapanood yung presentation. Sila ang nauna na sila Vong, Teddy, and Jug. Sila yung unang-una nagbigay ng presentation. A little emotional here. Sabihin kong bakit mamaya. Yeah. Na paluha ako. But this is more of a personal note. Any case, may tumama sa ating viewer and subscriber and laging nagko-comment sa mga vlogs ko, si Andre Deliver. You were so correct na tungkol kay Vong, and you were asking me even before kung anong tingin ko sa mga presentations na mangyayari, and then you said gusto mo si Vong because he is going or he has been using technology. And I said technology. Ang naiisip ko lang na technology before na ginamit niya, it's not even technology, yung the mirrors, or effects, let's just say. But in this presentation, talagang gumamit siya ng technology using artificial intelligence, which is very intelligent actually yung ginawa nilang presentation dahil napapanahon sa umpisa pa lang tayo paggamit ng artificial intelligence na ito, and it can be used in so many ways, in so vast in terms of practicality and practice. Ang daming pwedeng gawin, and that includes even entertainment. Yun nga sinasabi ko, di ba? Na at one point, pati extra, mawawala na. In a way, parang nangyari ito, no? Again, binalik sa atin. It's a memory, it's a presentation using the memories of our beloved Filipino comedians and comedians, okay? Tagos sa isip, sa utak, and the same time, tagos sa puso. Again, when I saw right away, this is going to be about mga komedyante. I thought it was just like, kagaya kanina na parang bitin. Yun na ba yun? Yun na ba yun? That was it? Na parang natawa pa nga si Jong. I don't know if that was even scripted, na para bang sabihin ni kasi hindi naman sasabihin ni Jong, yun na ba yun? May paganon si Jong. Kasi sabi ko, ano yun? Sing and dance, yun na yun. And that was also very, maganda rin yung pagkagawa ng TVJ, no? Teddy, Vong, and Jugs. With parang reference kay Tito Vic and Joey na, again, all three of them are comedians. So that was, again, pagiging malikot in terms of their script. Ang basis was Tito Vic and Joey were Redford White, and then si Mr. Dolphy, and then, of course, Babalu. Okay. So, all of them actually were in television. Kumbaga, staple sila ng TV. Body and Soul, Home Along the Riles, Okidokidok. Yun, yung sentimentality. Pero akala ko hanggang doon na lang. And then the roster, pangilapot, roster ng mga komedyante. Sabi ko nga sa iyo, yung aso ko na artificial intelligence din, pangalan niya is si Chichay. So again, parang nagtutugma-tugma, no? Ang tawag nito, ang vacuum cleaner ko, may pagka AI din, ang pangalan niya is Panchito. Again, mga komedyante. So, swap. And then again nga, yung roster ng the great comedians, from being slapstick to being cool and benign and intelligent, from Panchito to Willie Nepomuceno, di ba? From Meli Tagasa to Chichay, to Deli Atay-Atayan. Man, ang hinahanap ko talaga right away, sabi ko, sino nga yung sidekick ni Joey De Leon? Si Rene Requestas. And true enough, lumabas din si Rene Requestas. Pati yung voices nagawa nila, nakakamangha. Nakapangilabot at the same time. Tama yung sinabi ni Jong. Ito ang pinakamabibigat na mga guest. Of course, aside from Tita Nova, parang naging tita ko, no? Nova Villa, na paborito ko rin actually, no? Diba? From Chicks to Chicks, then naging Chika Chicks, and then naging dun sa abangan ng susunod na kabanata. And of course, itong ang Home Along the Riles. Wala kumbaga napuno tayo, no? Yung akala mong bitin, that was very effective. Yung akala mong bitin, pero meron pa pala. I loved it. I loved it. This is actually, sabi ko nga, very strong. And then, sabi ko nga, kung pinapili ako so far, it was between Jong and Vong right now, malakas yung Team Vong. I will have to commend rin Jugs and Teddy. I'm almost certain sa kanila yung isip, yung kernel ng idea, I'd like to think sa kanila rin ito. Although last year, gusto ko rin yun, together with Kim, yung parang pa-party nila. Pero there was a time na parang nawala yung kinang o yung galing ni Jugs and Teddy, nakabawi sila. And of course, nakabawi rin si Vong dahil last year, wala nga siya sa magpasikat. In fact, naalala ko, nagsalita rin si Vice noon na dinededicate nila yung show na yon para kay Vong na at that time wala. Nakabawi talaga si Vong at saka Jugs and Teddy. Pero, napaisip lang ako because of the use of artificial intelligence na almost makikita mo yung likeness mga namayapa na. Today is the 5th anniversary of my dad's death. I was with him until his last breath. Hinahawakan ko lang yung kamay niya sa hospital. But he was in comatose for 3 months. And with the use of this kind of technology, you can only imagine, sa mga nawala mo sa buhay, you can almost be with them, see them, feel them. This is going to be profound na technology for everyone. Nasa umpisa pa lang tayo ng technology, sa paggamit ng technology nito. Kumbaga, nasa advent pa lang tayo ng technology na ito. Ang daming pwedeng mangyari that will really be part of our lives and hopefully talagang magamit lang, in the most positive ways yung technology na ito. Dahil as they said, may other side rin ang technology na ito that is going to be powerful as the advantages nung AI. Kung powerful yung advantages, powerful din yung disadvantages sa paggamit ng artificial intelligence. I'm fearful about it, but at the same time very hopeful na magamit talaga natin yung power ng artificial intelligence in a very good and safe way. Naging emotional ako in so many levels. Alright, that was very strong presentation. So, bukas naman,